Hi, today I show you helpful apps for students and teachers. What is the app for? Improving physical fitness with minimal time and no equipment. Burning calories and increasing heart rate through high intensity exercise. Staying active for busy people including students and teachers. Providing guided time exercise to follow easily at home, school or anywhere. What is it helpful for students and teachers? Time saving, no equipment needed, boosts energy and focus, encourages health habits. Show the app logo. Ito yung logo ng 7 minutes workout. Green color symbolize health, energy, and wellness, key themselves of physical fitness. Circular shape represent a stopwatch or timer which highlights the time nature of the workouts. 30 seconds per exercise, 10 seconds rest. Number 7 clearly show the app main concept, 7 minutes of daily workout. Minimalist design, keep the logo clean and easily to recognize on your phone. Talk about the 7 minutes workout app is designed to give you a quick full body workout using just your body weight. It guides you through 12 different exercises like jumping jacks, push-up, wall sit, and crunches. Each exercise lasts 30 seconds with a 10-second break in between. The app includes a timer, voice instructions, and visual demos to help you do each movement correctly. It's based on high-intensity interval training, which help improve strength, cardio, and flexibility in a short time. How it helps in studying: boosts the brain function. Exercise increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain, enhancing memory, concentration, and problem solving. Reduce stress and anxiety. Quick physical activity reduces cortisol and improves mood, making it easier to handle academic pressure. Improves focus and attention. A short workout break can rest your attention span and combat mental. Support better sleep. Regular physical activity, even in short bursts, improves sleep quality, which is essential for learning and memory consolidation. How it helps in teaching: increase energy and stamina. Teachers need physical and mental endurance. A 7 minutes workout improves overall vitality without requiring much time. Enhancing classroom engagement. Better mental clarity, helps with clear communication, responsiveness, and unison in teaching. Reduce burnout risk. Quick daily exercise help prevent emotional exhaustion common in educators. Acts as a quick reset. Teachers can use it during break to refresh and regain focus between classes.